My name is Maliha. I got 10 grade 9s in my GCSEs, and today I'm going to talk to you about how you can push yourself into the grade 9s if you're currently stuck on grade 6s and 7s. I've noticed that's a really common problem that occurs with a lot of students, and that was a problem that occurred for me as well when I was doing my GCSEs. Before we get into the video, I just want to quickly say that if you have any questions or any video requests, any videos that you want me to do, you can leave them in the comments or you can email me. My email is in my channel bio. In my opinion, to get into the grade 9s, the main thing that you can do, the main thing that is missing, the missing piece of the puzzle is normally exam technique. And the only way to improve your exam technique is to set up a regular schedule of doing past papers every single day. And how you can do that is you can either do one of two things. You can either do an exam question from each subject every single day, or you can do an entire past paper every day from a different subject each day. Try and do it preferably under timed conditions. You can mark it yourself, or you can get your teacher to mark it for you preferably, especially if it's essay based like English or history, because essay based subjects are subjective in terms of marking. And then anything you got wrong or any feedback you received, write it down in a notebook or in a Google Doc. And over time, as you do more and more past papers, that list of feedback and mistake amendment should grow over time. And then with that list, you can read through that list every morning and every night. Then what that will do is that will slowly embed the feedback into your brain. And then because you're rehearsing it and going over it so much, every time you sit down to do another past paper, you're going to remember the previous feedback and then build on it and have a better mark each time. It's also going to help you identify gaps in your knowledge, because you'll be able to identify running themes of stuff that you keep making mistakes on. It's a form of maintenance rehearsal, so it's going to help you remember the stuff more. And overall, it will improve your exam technique because you'll be learning things like terminology, especially for subjects like science, which are very picky about keywords. You'll be learning effective question structuring, especially for essay-based subjects. And you'll also be learning time management, especially if you're doing the exam questions under timed conditions. And for subjects like English and history, having time management skills is really crucial. It's really important because there's so many essays that you need to write within a given amount of time. So you need to know how to effectively manage your time in the exam, of course, to maximize your marks. And yeah, that's all the advice that I can offer. If you guys have any questions, again, you can just leave it in the comments or you can email me. My email is in my channel bio. Good luck with your exams. You got this. And yeah, bye guys.